doing PMs today at this plant, finally getting them done. So we're gonna get this chiller knocked out. This is the one that was having the purge issues or the pump out issues. We just checked it over the last week. We've not had any time at all on pump out. So that's excellent news, and that just goes to confirm that the issues we were having were caused by the surging it was having due to the water flow issues. Once we got that fixed, we can let it pump out because of the surging. It's good to go now. So, not too worried about leaks at this point, but we're gonna get the PMs knocked out and get it back online.